Drama in Junction St. Elizabeth after daring robbery.
EOJ says all is in place for Election Day.
And political parties claiming victory ahead of Thursday's polls. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: will you be voting tomorrow? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Primetime News continues right after this break. Please stay with us.